What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dummy Tech Talks.
Yep.
Trevor and Travis here practicing the whole
social distancing.
And yeah, and you know.
I got it right that time.
Yeah. Today I'm going to be cleaning my air intake, a K&N air intake on my 2007 GMC Canyon.
It's a truck, okay? Don't judge.
It's long overdue. It's a oil rechargeable filter, so I have to clean it and recharge it.
There's two, one for the training and one for the actual engine.
Yep.
So, with all further ado, here we go.
Heck yeah. Woo-doo-doo-doo. All right. First things first, we gotta loosen these straps. There's a flathead screwdriver. Get in here, unscrew them. I think this one's just gonna come all the way off anyway. Little guy. Yeah. It just kind of clips on.
And they are extremely dirty.
Yeah. So this is long overdue.
This is preferably done every 3 to 6 months, depending on where you live or what you're driving through.
There we go. Yeah, it's almost black. Should be red. All right, let's go over to it and start cleaning it.
Clean her off.
All right, so first things first, you might want to get yourself a K&N recharge kit. They're not very expensive. I think this one was like $20. I got it like a couple years ago. But yeah, you use this Power Clean Industrial Strength Cleaner and Degreaser, and you just spray it on it, all over it. It's going to loosen up all the dirt and oil from before. Make sure you got it good. You can't really go wrong with using a little extra of that stuff. It is going to sit there. It's going to have to sit for 10 to 15 minutes to kind of eat through it, and then we'll rinse it out.
Eat through the dirt, not the filter.
Yeah.
And you can pick these K&N filter kits up at any local parts store, Walmart, whatever.
That's the oil we'll be using to recharge it. I believe I got mine actually at AutoZone. All right, so we're going to wait about 10 minutes or so, come back, and we'll start washing it off. And now we just rinse off everything. You can use a water hose or some kind of spray nozzle or something. Wash from the inside out. That way it pushes everything out, not into the filter. It should start looking a little cleaner at this point as well. Less black anyway. Alright, you can feel the stuff coming out. Yeah, there's a little one too. Alright, now it's kind of a whitish gray. This one, I don't know a whole lot I can do with this. But yeah, you can see it's already getting clean just by rinsing it out. There we go. Alright. Now, a good idea is to find a nice shiny spot or sunshine place where there's a lot of sun and set these out, let them air dry. So we're going to see what we can do about that. It's kind of overcasty, but we'll get it done. We'll be back. Alright, so now we're going to have to go ahead and add the recharging oil. I'm actually going to take my watch off. I don't think it'll get on there or anything. I just, yeah. This over here. You still see me? Right. Keep it a couple inches away. Make sure you cover the whole filter. Up and down. It will turn red as it is. You can probably see that. I'll wipe off the excess at the end. That's pretty good. See on the camera the pink or red of the filter. We're gonna let that dry and apply it. Let me do the same thing on that small filter real quick. funny. I know how to hold this. There we go. That should be good. And again, I'll just clean this up and let it dry, and then we will show you guys installing it. All right, back over at the truck. We're just gonna be reinstalling these. Let's see here.
Filters.
Filters. Yep. Slides right on there. Pull this over at the little strap that holds it in place. Want to make sure the screwdriver is accessible, obviously, otherwise you can't tighten it down properly. And it is just an air filter. It's not like it's going to be doing a whole lot of moving, but it could vibrate off if it's not tight enough.
And you don't want that.
Yeah. And then a small one. It's kind of funny. Hold that back tube. There we go. And just tighten it down. Alright, that's that. Thanks for watching. This is another dummy tech tip. This is just cleaning an air filter.
Simple.
Okay.
It is necessary. And also, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And stay safe with this COVID-19 thing.
Yeah.
See you guys next time.